Hi, I'm Zach Verdun from Verdun Tarps, and this is our Eagle Tarp System. Today, we're going to take a look at our track. We pride ourselves in the quality of our system. Everything that is put into our system is industrial strength. To have a strong system, you need a strong foundation. That is why we build our system tough from the deck up, starting with our track. When we bolt through the track, we bolt through this area. It's a 1/2 inch thick. Most of our competitors are bolting through this area of the track, which is approximately 3/16 inch thick. Then they have to cut out half to countersink the bolt. We bolt every 2 feet using 1/2 inch socket head cap screws. Did you know we had a patented tie-down rail built into our track? We offer track hooks that are rated for 6,600 pounds that work with both chain and strap. Here are the 4 main benefits of our patented system. First, our tie-down rail enables drivers to load and utilize their full deck width. From track to track, there's 104.5 inches clearance, maximizing the versatility in how you tie down your load. Second, it eliminates the need to run straps or chains through the rub rail while safely securing your load from the ground. Third, it allows drivers to tie down from inside during bad weather. Fourth, another benefit to the driver tying down inside the trailer is that the tarp will act as a safety barrier. We have also designed our track to withstand top and side impacts. Our forklift impact rail is located where all the strength of the trailer is. Behind our impact rail, you find the trailer's rub rail, pockets, and spools. Most of our competitors have their impact rails below their track, which usually just has air behind it. Did you think you were getting the same track video? We dreamed up 2 new tests to show you the strength of our track. We are big believers that your track should be the strongest part of your system. I'm also proud to put my name to our patented tie-down rail. Today, we are going to lift up a 53-foot trailer with our track and headboard installed. The best part is we are using 4 Eagle track hooks. That's it. Combined, this weighs over 10,000 pounds. Didn't even break a sweat.
I dare you to try that with any other system.
We haven't really changed our track in 20 years, but we've definitely wondered if we should. We ask ourselves a lot, is our track still the most durable? And how do we know? Maybe the better question to ask is it bulletproof?
Hello everyone, my name is Tony Stumpf. I am a proud U.S. Army veteran of 6 years, 4 years active duty, and 2 years National Guard with the 131st Infantry Division in Joliet, Illinois. My MOS was 16 Sierra, which is air defense artillery, and my job was to knock down enemy aircraft with a Stinger missile. I'm also the general manager of Verdun Tarps here in Gary, Indiana. And today we're going to do a quick little video of us shooting a aluminum track.
I double dare you to try that.
Thanks for watching our video. I hope I've shown you how important the track is. We know that if your track's not working, neither are you. With the Eagle, you get the ability for full width loading and the strongest track in the business. No one else can compare. The Eagle Tarp System, bulletproof reliability.